So tell me how you do that there. All right, you crack open the egg. Okay.
Sparkle the egg. Put some salt.
Okay, a little bit of salt in there. All
A
right.
little bit vinegar.
A little bit of vinegar. Okay.
A joke.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay.
Sip the water.
Sip the water.
It's delicious.
And you drink it, the whole thing?
Yes. Then put again.
A little bit more vinegar, okay. A little bit more salt.
Sip again.
Get some of the shell out of the way. All right. All right. So let me see that closely there. So do you taste the chicken beaks and stuff?
Yes. So very delicious. If it's gonna be hot.
And it's healthy.
It's healthy, full of nutrients.
Okay, okay.
Full of
Healthy.
nutrients.
Oh, okay, let me see.